Welcome to Stansberry Research. We want to show you how to use all the research and recommendations you can use to take your financial situation to the next level. In this video, we'll explore the exclusive features and services you now have access to, and where to find the research that matters the most to you. Let's take a closer look. To access the opportunities included with your subscription, simply log in with your username and password. Your username should be the email address associated with your Stansberry Research account. On your Stansberry Subscription Center, you'll see all the publications you currently have access to. Click into one to see each editor's unique view of the markets, including a wealth of opinions, recommendations, and strategies. Here you can read the latest issue and browse the entire publication archive using convenient filters or the integrated search feature to find what you're looking for. As a subscriber, you also have access to an entire library of special reports. We encourage you to read them all. Click here to view your model portfolio. This includes all the open recommendations, the date and price of the recommendation, the current price, the current return, and whether the recommendation is a buy, hold, or sell. If you click on the ticker symbol, you can read the original write-up on the recommendation. You can also find more opportunities to profit with access to extra features and stay up to date with the latest research. As part of your subscription, you'll also receive the Stansberry Digest every weekday after the markets close. Here, we'll share our firm's thoughts on what's happening in the market and how it could affect your money. At Stansberry Research, we're committed to leveling the playing field for individual investors. Maybe you're just getting started or want some fresh insight. No matter where you are on your financial journey, we'll always be here to provide you with the safest, most profitable investment ideas, recommendations, and research. Be sure to log in often to get the most value from your new subscription. Got questions? We're here to help. Just contact our member services team at info@stansberrycustomerservice.com or by calling the number on your screen. We'll be happy to show you more.